Okay, so we're here in the network room of this city, and we've got our mesh router and a little 5-port TP-Link switch. So we're pulling internet into our switch, and this is just we had to take the place of something, an output, a plate somewhere in the building, so we went ahead and reincorporated it. And then this is coming from our PoE, which is connected out to the side of the building where our bridge master is, our client. And so we're actually, the IP addresses here in the building are the 192.168.1, etc. All of ours is 192.168.50, etc. So our network sits on that .50, and so all of our streamers are static IP to 50, and our bridge client is set to 50. The cable that's going to the bridge client is actually coming out through the wall above the ceiling here, and out through that exterior wall to the side of the building. It's coming out of the wall here and running down to the pole here, and our bridge client is sitting on this big silver pole, broadcasting out to the far side of the street to this pole, and also to this pole. That is West 1 and South 4. So there's our bridge client on the pole there, and there's the bridge receiver on South 4, and here on West 1. So West 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 only have one mesh node, and it's on 6 all the way on the end. The rest of them are all ran network cable, zip tied to the string lights, back to a 8-port switch located here on West 4. All of the network cable comes into it to an 8-port switch, and then the only wireless node is here at the very end on West 6, and that's just for the purpose of we basically are putting this entire side of the street on one mesh node because we can wire it together, and then that one is connected to North 1. So there's those two mesh nodes are communicating, and then all the way North 1 through 5, all the way to the corner, and South 1 through 5 are all on wireless nodes. There's on mesh nodes. There is no cabling on those. So North and South, every pole is a wireless mesh node. On the west side, only West 6 has a mesh node. The rest are all networked across the string lights to an 8-port switch on West 4. Well, we appreciate you guys being patient with us. We knew this was going to be a little bit of a fluid installation, meaning that there are certain network rules that we knew, and we knew this would work, but we knew we were going to be working things out as we went. And there were a few surprises, and we were able to work through those, and I think the end result is pretty cool. And we appreciate you guys letting us develop this larger configuration with you guys. And now that we know that it will work, we think we can move forward with confidence from here and offer it to other communities here in our state. We are licensed in the state of Arkansas for Class C unrestricted security, so cameras, intrusion, alarm, access control, everything. Just let us know if we can serve you in that way, and of course audio, visual, and networking as well. All right, thanks you guys.